What is ChatGPT and how can you use it? In this video, I'll introduce you to ChatGPT, an incredible AI tool by OpenAI that's changing the way we work, learn, and create. Let's dive into what it is and how you can use it. ChatGPT is an AI that understands and generates human-like text. Powered by OpenAI's advanced language model, it can answer questions, solve problems, and even hold conversations like a real person. Let's see what ChatGPT can do. First up, ChatGPT is great for writing. Whether you need a blog post, an ad copy, or even a creative story, ChatGPT can help you generate that content quickly and efficiently. Another great use is language translation. If you're stuck on a translation or unsure about a word's meaning, ChatGPT can help you out with ease, and it supports multiple languages. If you're a programmer, ChatGPT is also a fantastic tool for coding. It can help you write code, debug errors, or even create new features for your applications. When it comes to education, ChatGPT is also a great resource. If you're studying something difficult or don't quite understand a concept, ChatGPT can provide detailed explanations and help you learn faster. For businesses, ChatGPT can assist with market research, creating marketing campaigns, or even brainstorming business ideas. And of course, for entertainment, ChatGPT can generate stories, jokes, riddles, and much more. Where can you find it and how do you use it? ChatGPT is available online and can be used by anyone with an internet connection. You can access it through OpenAI's official website at chat.openai.com, where you can sign up for an account and start using it right away. Just log in, and you can begin chatting with the AI. So, why should you try ChatGPT? Well, it's an incredibly powerful tool that can save you time and effort. Whether it's for work, learning, or just for fun, ChatGPT can help you be more productive and creative. If you like this video, subscribe and hit the bell to catch new content. Comment below how you use ChatGPT and give it a try. Thanks for watching, see you next time.